Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Jordan, and today we are going to be doing our January Ipsy vs. Birchbox. Here is our January Birchbox. It's going very well with all this blue I got going on right now. Let's see what's inside this puppy. I like these drawer boxes better than the old ones a lot. This is the second one. I think the second one I've gotten that's like this. I really like it. Okay. First thing, we got curl shampoo, mask, and conditioner from Davines. I don't know how to say that properly. That smells good. These are $29, full size. It's smoothing and detangling and defines your curls with almond extract. I don't really have curly hair, so I think I'm gonna give these to my sister. Well, actually, both my sisters have curly hair. I'll let them choose who wants this. Next thing is Let's Get Naked Frizz Fighter. Okay, this is by the brand TLW. It is a hair serum with keratin in it. Cool. I love anti-frizz stuff and leave-in conditioner. The full size of this is 20. But this is a pretty good sample. I feel like this would last me a little while. Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm. I don't like the name of this. I've gotten this before and I know it's lip balm, but you can also put it on dry skin. I'm reading here and it says that you can also use this to soothe sunburns, tame unruly brows, and nourish your cuticles. So it's kind of an all-in-one kind of a product, which is kind of cool. And the full size of this is $14.50. Next is this Duce, I don't know how to say the name of this brand, volumizing mascara. I think I literally just got this a few months ago. $24. Separates and fully coats lashes for full volume effect. Cool. See the brush? Wow, it's huge. Okay, this is Pie. This is new to Birchbox. It's a chamomile and rosehip calming day cream that has natural skin soothing agents for a calmer complexion with less redness. Except the full size is $60. That's really expensive for a moisturizer. Now we'll move on to Ipsy. This bag is so cute. Okay, the first thing is the Ciate London Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. The full size of this is $26, but if you're a member of Ipsy and you buy it on Ipsy.com, it is $11.70. That's a huge discount. This is in the shade Date Night. Oh, that's really cool looking. Oh, although they're out of stock on Ipsy.com right now, it says. So, maybe don't buy it. The next thing is this Pure 4-in-1 Pressed Mineral Makeup with Broad Spectrum SPF 15. I've actually really wanted to try this, so I'm excited to give this a shot and see how my skin reacts because I do have dry skin. The full size of this is $29.50, but you can buy it on Ipsy.com if you're a member for $22.12 with free shipping. The next thing is this Jules Smith Beauty Gloss in Moonbeam Dream. The full size of this is $18, but you can buy it on Ipsy.com for $13.50 if you're a member. Next, we have Vanilla Co. Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm. I've been really into cleansing balms recently because I used to use micellar water in a cotton pad, but the cotton pads were like putting micro tears in my skin and making all of my skincare afterwards sting really bad. And also they're super wasteful, so I've been using cleansing balms and cleansing oils. Doesn't really have a scent. This has no parabens, sulfates, phthalates, mineral oil, alcohol, or artificial coloring. So I love that. Between $19 and $24, depending on the size. So you can buy it on Ulta. They also have a foam cleanser, a bunch of other stuff on Ulta.com. So look up Vanilla Co. on Ulta to shop this brand. And lastly, we have this eyeshadow from Real Her. I like their lip products. Actually, I like a lot of their products that I've tried. This is an eyeshadow in shade Incomparable. It looks like a matte brownish color. Their eyeshadows don't come in singles, but they do come in palettes, so that's probably why the price is not on here. This is also paraben free and cruelty free. And I like this brand because it started by a dad who wanted to create something that was empowering for women for his daughter, which is really sweet. So all their products say like girl power, be confident, and all these really cute things. So I really like that brand. I like the message it sends. Let's get into it. I'm just gonna put together a little look using this stuff. I'm gonna zoom you in and we'll get started on the look. I have some blemishes too, so we'll try to cover these up with this powder foundation and see just kind of how that works. My skin looks so bad right now. I just had a bunch of breakouts and that's really frustrating, but it's fine. I'm just gonna go in with this and then try to use a flat brush, concealer brush, to go over the spots I want to conceal with this and see if you can get double uses out of this powder. Wow. That immediately blurred my pores. Look at my pores here and here. Also, it's laying nicely over my dry skin. I mean, I just did my skincare, but lately I've been trying powder products, and as soon as I put them on, my skin just kind of like flakes up because it's so dry. So I like how this is applying. It doesn't look overly dry, and I can appreciate that. I also accidentally got dye all over my head, so let's just ignore that. I'm gonna take a concealer brush and go over some of these spots. See how that works. That's not the greatest, but that's okay. Gosh, this blue on my head. I am gonna go under the eyes as well. Oh, I didn't even get my nose really. Okay, it's not the best as concealer, but it works enough. It made a difference, I think, especially here. You can still see it, of course, because, I mean, it's there. But, yeah, my skin kind of just looks like a more even and smooth version of itself. It's not, like, crazy coverage. It's not overly powdery looking. Kind of just looks like my skin, but better, in my opinion. So this would be really good, maybe on top of foundation for more full coverage, but also good for, like, those no makeup, I just want a little bit of evening out kind of days. I'm just glad that it applied the way it did. Okay, I'm gonna do bronzer real quick. Hope this blue on my face comes off before I have work tomorrow, because that ain't gonna be good. Now we'll go in with this blush. It's an illuminating blush, so I'm gonna expect some shimmer. Oh, that's very shimmery. Oh, wow. That really emphasizes my pores here. Kind of acts like a highlighter, too. That's a lot more shimmery than I would like in a blush, because I have a lot of larger pores on this area of my face, and so I don't really like shimmery blushes because I don't want to emphasize that. So okay. I'm gonna do my brows and I'll be right back. Okay, let me show you the shimmer here. Look at my pores. That's too shimmery for me. I really don't like it. Ugh, I hate that, actually. The more I look at it, the more I hate it. Okay, we'll go into the Real Her eyeshadow. I'm just going to use my fluffy Time Los Angeles 203 brush. I really like these brushes. can see the difference. It just evens out the veins and looks a little bit more smooth. This would be good transition color. I wonder if this is in the palette I have by them. I should look. I haven't used it in a while. And then I think just for fun, I'm gonna put that Ciate London blush on my lid. Maybe I could use this as an eyeshadow instead. A fluffier brush would lose the shimmer, would shake off. So I'm using this dense packing brush just to keep that shimmer there. So now we have kind of like a monochromatic look going on. It looks a little powdery on the lid, if you can tell. I'm just gonna put a little bit of the Real Her eyeshadow under the eye. Now we'll do mascara. I'm nervous because this brush is so big. I feel like I'm gonna get it on my lid, so I'm gonna be really careful. I mean, it really brought the drama. I got some on my face, but I'm gonna let that dry so I can just scrape it off and not make a big mess. So ignore that for now. Oh, even though I looked down to apply it, I still got some on my lid, but I like the mascara. It is a little hard to use because the brush is so big and the handle is like so small, like it's so little, but the brush is so big, so it's a little difficult to use. I'm gonna go into the lip liner. I'll go in with the balm. It smells like Vaseline. Now I'll put this on. Oh. That is not my jam. Let me zoom you out and I'll give my final thoughts. This balm, it's just not that interesting to me, to be honest. I've gotten this a few times. I don't think I've used it once. I think this is the first time I've used it. I'm just not totally drawn to it. This gloss is definitely not for me. The blue iridescent is not my vibe. These aren't the kind of shades that I enjoy. It feels nice. It doesn't feel overly sticky. I would try a different color by them, but just this one is not necessarily my favorite. This eyeshadow was nice, blended out easy, simple transition shade. I think this brand is really cool. I love what they stand for. This kind of like reminded me of them, so maybe I'll give them another shot. The mascara I liked. I like the way my lashes look right now. However, the brush is really tricky to use and I feel like I'm gonna mess up my eyeshadow. I don't know if I'm gonna reach for this just because of the brush. I'm sorry, everything's negative. But I mean, I liked the mascara. It's just a little hard to use. This blush, no. And then lastly, this I really like. I'm excited to try to use this more. I think it evened out my complexion a good amount. I do have some breakouts right now, but they do look better than they did when I started. So I like this. Overall, these were my favorite things. I'm sorry this video is mostly negative. I'm just being honest. This month just wasn't my absolute favorite. That's okay. But I want to know what you got. Did you get the same thing as me in your Ipsy bag? Who has Ipsy and Birchbox? Comment down below. And what did you get? Because I'm curious. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every time I post a video. Thanks for watching. Bye!